today we're making. Okay. Fall flavored cookies for our puppy dogs. Take 2 1/3 cups of flour, sifted flour, half a can of pumpkin, and we use 1 egg, I like to keep my flour separated until I've blended up my pumpkin and my egg. And the spices that I will use today is turmeric, cinnamon, and I'll add some honey and a little coconut oil. I use this ground cinnamon. And for the season, I don't always have used turmeric, but I like to use a turmeric to help with the joints of our animals. The cartilage, it helps. And it also adds a pretty nice color to their treat. Just, I dump it in because I've made these before and I already know basically just by eyeballing it how much of seasoning I need. Let's blend this together a little bit here, and then I'm going to add in my honey. I like to use raw honey. And I really believe in buying local and helping out fellow small businesses owners. Keeps us all kind of flowing and going and thriving. Hold on, Miss. I have this blended up. My egg is in there, my pumpkin's in there, and I just gradually add a little flour at a time. Blend this together. I have my oven preheated to 325, depending on your type of oven, 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending on your oven, you might want to adjust your temperature. And I generally bake these for anywhere from 10 to 13 minutes. It depends on the texture that you want for your dog's delight, and depending on his teeth and the age of your dog, how long you want them to bake. These are a soft, not so much chewy, but they're soft texture. They're airy and just seems to be enjoyable to snack on. And my husband and I try what we bake because I use human grade ingredients approved by vets, and we try them and make sure we like them. And of course, Buddy is going to be the first of us all to try them to let us know. I like this texture here, so I can deal with. I will spread these into a mat that I have that are bone shaped, puppy dog shaped bones. And this recipe will make 44 dog treats. And that's it. I have in my bowl the flour, 1 egg, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, about a tablespoon of honey, and I'm going to add a little coconut oil. Coconut oil, it's not, doesn't come already in liquid form, so I melt that for about a minute in the microwave, and then I add that to the last of the blended ingredients in my bowl. And then I stir it one more time, and I put it onto my dog treat mat, and I bake them in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 13 minutes. Take them out of the oven, let them cool. And I also like to dehydrate our treats that I make for Buddy and that I have available if you want to purchase any from me. But I like to dehydrate them. It gives them a longer shelf life. You can store them in the refrigerator, the freezer, or the pantry for 30 days. And let me know what you think. Make your comments below. Have a good day.